As painful as your jokes. Not quite, but it's pretty bad. For the cricket, the Ashes, goodness me, the poor old Ashes, I'm not sure we are going to see any play today. It is August. It is still summer. I've chosen to put that as my headline because the outlook is so autumnal. It's actually pretty depressing. We've got spells of very wet and windy weather through the rest of this week. Some big old puddles showing up across parts of England and Wales so far today, and some of the worst is still to come. Here's the low delivering this bout of wet and windy weather. This little gap here, if you like, is our breather for tomorrow. And then this fella comes into play for Friday. Another area of low pressure, a deep area of low pressure, widespread strong winds and heavy rain, and the winds will be a feature through the weekend as well. Here we are this afternoon with some of the wettest weather possibly still to come across the Welsh borders through into the Midlands and East Anglia. Some showers for the southeast too. A little drier, a little brighter to the west, possibly, just possibly, some drier weather later on in the day for the Ashes, but fingers crossed, I think at best. Further north, the wettest weather rolls across Northern Ireland through the evening into Scotland overnight, and then by the end of the night, it is a much quieter and drier picture. Much milder as well to the northeast with overnight lows in double figures. Some cloud around to start us off on Thursday, but a much drier day in the making. Most areas seeing some long sunny spells developing, a few showers across England and Wales, but certainly looking much better for the cricket. And for all of us, it will feel warmer without the wind and the rain. Our highs in the high teens, up to perhaps 23 in the southeast of England. But remember that low at the start on our pressure chart. Here it comes for Friday, and it is a bit of a beast. This is the sort of thing you'd see in autumn, not in what purports to be our British summer. Widespread heavy rain sweeping from west to east on Friday. Eastern counties hopefully staying dry until later in the afternoon. Hopefully something a bit brighter in the west later on. But those rainfall totals adding up all the while. We've already in some spots seen about 3/4 worth of August's rain by the time we got to the start of this week. So more rain, not good news. And then the gusts of wind, 40-45 miles per hour, enough to cause some disruption. And just to finish the job off, some pretty disappointing temperatures in the high teens at best. At the moment, the weekend does look comparatively dry, not completely dry. There will be some showers around, but the wind is likely to be a big player through this weekend, especially on Sunday, where we're talking about gusts of up to 50 miles per hour. As I said at the start, it is still summer, but you might need to remind yourself. Simon.
Susan, thank you very much.